Welcome to our channel, where we provide helpful DIY tips and tricks for home improvement projects. Today, we will be discussing an important topic: how to properly insulate your garage door. Insulating your garage door can help regulate temperature, reduce energy bills, and minimize noise. Before starting the insulation process, make sure to clean and clear your garage door of any debris. Measure the width and height of each individual panel on the garage door to determine the insulation material required. Consider using foam board insulation or reflective foil insulation, which are effective choices for garage doors. Cut the insulation material according to the measurements and fit them into each panel of the garage door. Secure the insulation with adhesive or double-sided tape to prevent it from moving or falling off. If you opt for foam board insulation, use a utility knife to trim any excess material for a neat finish. Ensure the insulation fits tightly and covers the entire surface of the garage door panel. Pay extra attention to the edges and corners to maintain a consistent insulating barrier. If you have windows on your garage door, use insulating window film to prevent heat loss and improve energy efficiency. To further enhance insulation, install a weather stripping seal along the bottom of the garage door to eliminate drafts. You can also reinforce the insulation by adding a rubber seal or weather stripping to the sides and top of the door. Inspect the garage door springs, hinges, and rollers to ensure they are in good condition and functioning properly. Avoid overcrowding the garage, as it may affect the efficiency of the insulation by restricting airflow. Consider installing a garage door insulation kit, which provides a complete set of materials for insulating your door. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when using an insulation kit. Regularly check the insulation on your garage door and replace any damaged or deteriorated sections. Remember that properly insulating your garage door can help create a more comfortable and energy-efficient space. Reducing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer will make a noticeable difference in your garage's temperature. By insulating your garage door, you'll not only improve energy efficiency but also reduce noise from outside sources. We hope these tips and techniques will help you successfully insulate your garage door and enjoy the benefits it brings. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful home improvement videos, and leave any questions or comments below.